As you make your way into the stadium, please note that certain sections and rows of seating have been blocked off to maintain proper physical distancing for your safety. You will also see physical distancing markers on the seats. These help ensure you keep 6 feet between your party and others. In addition, please remember to keep facial coverings on at all times throughout the presentation. Once today's presentation is finished, we ask that you please remain seated. One of our ambassadors will direct each section to exit the stadium. Thank you.